Hello everybody, this is Jennifer. Thank you so much for popping by. Today I'm going to show you what I think has been the best mystery boxes ever. They're so packed full of value. These are the Anna Griffin monthly mystery boxes. You do not need to be a finishing school member. Anybody can sign up if they have them available. So they started the first month and some people dropped. Then you could go to the next month. They added some. I don't know if they're available now on our website or sold out again. You just have to keep watching each month. So I'm going to show you, this is the first one, which would have been from March. Yeah, they ship at the end of the month. So this is March, and then I'm going to show you April's. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to move this out of the way to pull things out. March was good. April's was phenomenal. Okay, and they're $39.99, and that already includes the shipping. Okay, so the first two things was just Mother's Day card. You can see, you guys, occasionally, you believe it or not, I find these at like TJ Maxx. You can see matching envelope, the 3D sticker, and inside, yeah, sentiment. Okay, so there was a Mother's Day card and a birthday card. Same thing, the envelope has the matching coordinating, here you can see it, for the inside of your envelope. So you had two of those. Then the next thing was, how do they word it? 12 note cards, 12 lined envelopes, and again, look at how cute these are. And I think, I could be wrong, but people, I think, had different white envelopes, but I think people had different patterns, but maybe they were all this. So I thought these were really cute, and I think they're an A2 size, what she considers the note cards. I just thought that was so pretty. So I don't know what these normally, you know, would go through on her site or stationary sites or wherever, you know, however she's selling that. Okay, next thing, and some people were like, what the heck is that? These were just, I remember from back in the day, with scrapbooking, you bought the items with the, you know, with the laser cut already. So I don't know if you could see that or how well you can see it, but it has like the dimensional edges, and you would just put it, in my opinion, 12 by 12 on an already 12 by 12 piece of paper, and then match that paper back to put your photos inside, and it's already done. Like, the border's already done. Isn't it beautiful? 12 sheets of that. Okay, next we've got, let me see, oh, another card again. There you go, with sincerest gratitude. So again, very pretty. So that's the third one of those. Next we have, and you'll even see this, yeah, March 2024. So she even made up like their own little inspo sheet, and it's the die to make the purse cards. Here we have some other suggestions. So already we have inspiration sheets of just, you know, you'll see what that's from in a minute. This is the luxury quilted purse dies. Luxury quilted purse dies. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous, and they make such fabulous little either gift bags. You can do them if you use these. It kind of makes it go up in size, or a lot of people have made it square, you know, all the way around, so it's a little bit thicker gift bag. But they are just, look at this. Oh my gosh, fabulous. Isn't it just gorgeous? I just love it. So I wish they had shown another sample. I should have made one up. There was a set of like 4 of these. This alone is $40, $50, just the one die. So forget all the rest. And we're not done yet. It is the whole Annalise paper crafting kit, which was from the Crop at Home 3 last year. Crop at Home 3 last year. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous set. I kept it in the box because I don't want to get everything smashed, but I was already looking at it. And Annalise is one of them you'll still see. It's the whole kit. So let's, new Crop at Home 4 ones that were just on HSN Craft Day were $65 a piece. This still is about, I would say, probably $50 just for this, okay? So you have all your sentiments. Very pretty. They're 3D stickers, all of them. We've got our package. I mean, this is ginormous. Look at the size of that. It's huge, right? So that's all your flowers and flourishes, and there's just so many of them. It probably tells me somewhere on here, but I'm not really paying attention. 24 sheets of paper, 24 of the 5x7 paper, 90 embellishments, 24 sentiments. Okay, so here we go. So I'll just just going to flip through this. So that's the Annalise. We have the 5x7. Now you can't see that good enough. You got to look at it this way. Like, if you haven't already seen it, it's such a pretty paper. So we've got 2 here. I'm just going to kind of do it this way so we can see it more quickly. Again, and yeah, we did pretty things with this in Create Home 3. Love that. And now they're selling the tickets are starting for Create 10, which is all card making in the fall. So this is this whole kit. That looks like the same paper, right? Isn't that the same, I think? Right? Look at that. There's my little cards. So clever. Okay. Here you get some more. Look at that. Beautiful. And our total. There we go. So let's just toss that in. Okay, so this. Oh, one more thing. And I just thought these were so cute. Other people were like, what the heck are those? They're brads. Look at these. They're actually brads. They are material on them, like this hot fuchsia brad. And it's almost looks like a covered button, but for the brads. I love that. I'm like, I love seeing brads come back and punches and things. So that whole collection was what was for the first mystery box. This is April's box. It's really, I mean, can you see how thick this is? There's my hand. So it's like double the thickness. It's huge. I'm going to put this aside, start pulling it out, because if that you thought was good, this is even better. First thing, the cards again. So let's see. Here we have For My Dad. My dad has passed, but isn't that like a good one? And again, you have the coordinated, you know, envelope liner already in there. So good. Another Happy Father's Day with the cutout with the glitter kind of on there. Very nice. It had two, there might be another card in there and I'm just seeing it. Or maybe it's just the 2. Then we have, again, the rub-on sentiments. I love that we see the rub-ons again. I think they're so great. And if you don't like doing it that way, stick it on your project, run it through whatever your die cutting machine, and it'll press it on for you that way too. But I like the old rubbing on it. So beautiful, 2 sets of those. The little thing in this, we had the buttons in the other one is, and this says Life, and it's actually, it's an embroidered like patch. So I have no idea where they came from. This is one I would just, again, use in my scrapbook. Like, if you can see, I don't know, it's a little bit hard to see, but I don't want to rip it open. But cute, and there's like 6 of them, 8 of them in there already. So very cute from the warehouse. Next item. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the dies. Holy cow. These are her impression dies, which you can ink up. And then it will, you know, leave the engraving onto your paper. Kind of maybe like you have the Better Press now kind of thing. Similar to that. So we have our beautiful teacup. Again, really nice sizes here. This is just gorgeous. Here we have this beautiful wreath. So everything impresses on it. It's not all, obviously that cuts out, but still. Here we go. 2 different sets of corners, if you can see that. That's just the first one. The next one, we have the roses. Look at this gorgeous medallion. I don't know if you can see the amount. Look at that. Yeah, look at all that detail. Our little plane, which I was thrilled to get. Of course, you guys know the son and his fiance are pilots. So, yep, they've flown those butterflies. Look at that. Look at this to stamp your sentiments, your greetings, your journaling. Football, very cute. Again, trophy, how about that for, you know, Father's Day, #1 dad, you're a winner, congratulations, any of that. Another set of the corners, which I love having the corners. Another beautiful medallion, however you want to use it. Look at these. Put your sentiment in there. I think this is similar like the men's, the cigar band ones, pretty. And again, look at how absolutely gorgeous that is. So 3 sets of those. And I don't remember how much this went for, but it was not inexpensive. It was a lot. So we also have those in there, but there's still more. Okay, the next thing that we got in there, handsome slimline matte foil cardstocks, and these are like the full kits. Let me show you. Sorry, I should have opened these before. Okay, So slimline matte foil cardstock for the guys. Basically just saying more darker tones, I guess. Let's take a quick peep at these. And how many sheets are there? 60 sheets, matte foil. I mean, look at those. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous, like gunmetal gray. Isn't that like a silvery blue gray? Love it. Blue. I would like 12 by 12 in this. I don't think they have it. If anyone knows if they have it, please let me know. Our deep purples and the copper. Gorgeous. Okay, so that's full size, and like this is stuff you can still be buying full price on HSN and on her site. Next, yes, there's still more. Okay, this is just shocking that all this is for $40, including the shipping. So now you can see why there's probably been a bunch of talk about it, and yeah, they keep selling out. So let me open this. Beauregard slimline cards and envelopes. And look at the size of this. I love how everything she does is like packed and insulated and comes FedEx. It's all good. Okay. Beauregard slimline cards and envelopes. 36 of the slimline cards, 36 of the envelopes. And let's take a look at what's, of course, let's take a quick look at what those patterns are. Okay. Oh my goodness. Ah, lovely. Oh, and look at that. See, handmade by. Doesn't that just, you know, make it so much nicer? Let me slide this off. Okay. And I'm not sure. Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think they have sentiments in them, but these are beautiful. Look at the foil on them. And so, great. Just absolutely great. Anita Thesaurus, to get more words for fabulous, stunning, great, how apropos for the men's. Again, it's like a gray blue on the back here on this one. Here we go, red, white, and blue. Look at that with the navy. Love, love, love these. I can't tell you how much I like these. Love this pad. I would really like more paper. Does anybody know if any of these are sheets that she has in the 12 by 12? Here we go. Next one. One more. Navy tan. Then we have some greens here. Look at that. Lovely. Our houndstooth. And it's like little feathers. So, again, gorgeous. And you know, I'm sure these are at least $1 a piece for that. Again, that's how much, the $40 right there. Next thing, here we go. 12 sheets. I'm thinking maybe this is all the same pattern paper. Kind of hope so. The pattern is, let's see, blue foil anchors. So I think it's probably all of them, which suits me quite well. Yeah, it is. Okay, great. But I have all kinds of cruises and boats and that kind of stuff. So beautiful again for your scrapbooks, or if you're making a lot of cards, love it with the gold anchors. Love it, love it, love it. So 12 sheets of that. There's so much here. Okay, and the last item, which I was shocked beyond belief, is, here it shows the month for April 2024, and this is called, it's Cart Home, is it? There you go. Cart Home Craft Box. I swear this was just on the site, especially with Father's Day, and it does like the suits like this and whatever. And I'm like, her kits are, you know, $50 if you can get it on sale. $75, like they're great with the finishing school classes and everything. Here's samples of everything you can do. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping you can kind of see these because, you know, the video and YouTube trims all that. So let's pop it open and take a look at what you're getting in this fabulous deal. So, my favorite, always with the tissue paper. And here we go. So let's take a look. And like I said, they always have a QR code or a passcode in these. I don't know how, yeah, I better not show that. I don't want to get in trouble. But that would take you onto the website. And it has at least like 3 classes to show you how to create items with it. So, and of course you have inspiration here. So what you can make with exactly what's in this kit. Here you can see all the dies. And 2 more of that. So, we have all our cute little sentiments. trying to see how many it says are in here. It didn't tell me. Okay. So, but very masculine. For my husband, happy birthday to you. What are these blue ones? Can you see them? Something. Best wishes. Okay. Less of the foil flourishes, which makes sense. Oh, look at how cute these are. Okay. I do want to take just a quick little peek at these, because this is some of the guys' stuff. Belt buckles. Here we go. What is that? A scroll. Okay. We have luggage in there. That looks like typewriters, pocket watches. I'm hoping you can see these on here. The cigar bands, like suitcases. Really cute. And I do think they even more suitcases. I swear they have refills for this kit. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure I just saw on her craft day that they even do refills for this. So it wouldn't be the dies, but it would be all the extras. Let's see what we have. More of the individual pieces. So look, oh, these are our ties. Look at all the ties. Oh my gosh. Those are like for your shirts, your button-down shirts, right? On the fronts of shirts. Let's get the ties out. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Little bow ties. They're cute. Look at all that. Oh my gosh, it's too cute. And of course, as you can see, it matches the paper there. Look at that. That's our buttons down. Where's the straight ties here? I see a couple of them. Oh my goodness. And here we go. More straight ties, straight ties, straight ties, straight ties. Okay, so you get the idea of what we've got in here. We've got our papers, card blanks rather. Very nice. It looks like, let's open that, with our pretty created by on the back. Reds, trying to show this beautiful. See, aren't these lovely for a man's? Or I shouldn't say lovely. I don't know what's the right word for if it's for a guy. How many men's cards do you make? I mean, I have all the guys in the family, so that's the primary one. So I like seeing these, you know. And then here we have the layers for them. Look at that. More layers to do all your die cutting, you know. Foil to go with it. I think, let's see if these are all gold or not. These might be all gold. Yep, all the golds. Okay. And our lovely dies. What is that? Something stuck there. Oh, here's her inspiration sheet for it. So you even have more samples to see on here now. Lovely. And here's our dies. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? And that's it. So that was April 2024, Anna Griffin's mystery box. Who's gotten it? Let me know. Did you get it? Are you trying to get it? And did you have much of what was in it? So that's it for me for now. Best mystery box ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.